All right. So one last thing on ribbons. You can consider this a cheat sheet. Okay. Just one final thing, and this will be a game changer for you. Okay. I believe you should be able to find this from Excel 2016, 2013 upwards. Okay. You should have this powerful Microsoft cheat sheet. That's what I call it. Okay. And it's about to become your best friend. Sometimes trying to remember or trying to remember where you can find something, sometimes it can be a lot, or you just don't remember and you're struggling, or maybe you're new to Excel, okay, and you easily want to move between your tabs, you want to quickly get something done, but you don't remember where to go. I have a solution for you. Okay, I'm about to show you a cheat sheet that's going to change the way you use Excel. Of course, it's important that you understand the ribbons. If you have not seen my videos on each of the ribbons, feel free to explore. It's in the playlist. Okay, so this is just a quick tip for power users. You want to do something fast. You don't remember where to pick something. Yeah, that happens sometimes. We have a way out for you. So let's get into it without further ado. Okay, and that is the Microsoft search bar up here. You see? To jump in to start typing, you use alternate Q. So if you're a shortcut person, you can always use alternate Q. Okay, so it says just start typing here to bring features to your fingertips and get help. So it brings everything you can think of to your fingertips. Oh, for example, okay, I need a chart, or I want to insert this data into a pivot table, but I don't remember where I have my pivot table. Where is it? I can't remember. It's fine. All I have to do is just type. Oh, it's there already. See, pivot table, and just like that, you see, it doesn't just let you um search for something alone. It also gives you the option to use it. Right? For example, you see, by clicking on it, it automatically highlights my data for me. Very cool, easy peasy. So once I click OK, and boom, I have my data in a pivot table, and I can now work with it. Of course, we've not covered pivot tables, but we're still going to get there. I mean, this is a quick way to do things fast. All right, I'll delete that sheet completely. We don't need it for now. Yeah, I know it's permanent. Okay. Now, what about conditional formatting? You want to do something? Conditional formatting, you see, you get the options directly without having to go through. See how everything is showing just right away. You can see how I can get all these options in a quick glance. At my fingertip, just snap, and then you get it. So think of it. Oh, data validation. Let's think of it. Data validation. You can see how I have this here already. Right? Boom. Just comes up. Just like that. And yes, that is the magic wand that I want to show you. So let's look at our own. What is it that you want to explore here? You can always get them here. Look at your insert. For example, you want to get a chart. Create charts. You can see. By creating charts, you can select any chart at all. Pie chart, donut chart. It gives you that quick flexibility to do everything you want to do. So consider this a cheat sheet, and this wraps up the entire Excel interface. You want to zoom in, zoom out, just think of it, explore, and I believe this will be your new friend. Out and over. Bye.